Hello everyone, you welcome back to Devon's Chess. I hope you guys are doing fine because I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle, and just as usual it is white to move and mate black in 2 moves. In this puzzle, white has the same amount of pieces with black because both have a queen each and 2 rooks each. But we are saying in 2 moves, white can win this game. I want you guys to challenge yourselves and see if you could find the mate in 2 for white. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you found it. If you didn't, we can solve it together. Okay, good luck. Alright, so did you find the 2 moves that white has to move to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found, and again, don't mind whether what you found is wrong or right. It could be wrong, but having a very good variation that we wouldn't have talked about in the video and is worth talking about. So let us know what you found, and again, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's hit 400 subscribers. Okay, let's try to solve the puzzle. First and foremost, you could think of queen c6. The idea is trying to check the king and see if you could get an eventual checkmate. The king would still have an escape route to on a5, and after f5, there's no way you can mate black in the next move. If you try d5, still black will still have an escape route, and there's no mate. So queen c6 is not the solution for the puzzle. It is ruled out. Let's try queen d6. The idea of queen d6 is that you can also threaten a checkmate from f3. But then when you play d6, black is just going to exchange pieces and you won't be able to mate black, because after black takes our rook, you take the rook, black takes the rook, you've already moved 2 pieces. You could take the rook as well, but already you've moved 2 moves and there's no mate. Remember, we want a mate in 2 moves. So that's not also the solution we are looking for. So queen moves don't look like they're going to work out for us, because even if you try to check from b4, black is just going to take our queen, and you can't even take back that rook because this rook of ours is pinned by the other rook. So you can't take that rook, you can't move that piece because you will leave us in a check. So you would actually be losing this game, in simple terms, right? So that's not the move we are looking for. Queen moves don't look like they will work out for us. So that means we are going to test out the rook moves. The rook moves, first and foremost, if you realize that this rook is pinned, so that means that rook can't move away and leave us in a check. Otherwise, we would have got a checkmate from b4, but then we can't move that. That means we have to find another solution. And the solution, you would try to capture this rook that is trying to pin us, but then after you capture that, you can't get to mate black in the next move. Our queen is dropped, and then how are you going to mate in the next move? If you try to check from here, you still can't get the mate. So that's not the solution we are looking for. We don't really have to take that rook on h2, and then you would think of, okay, if the problem is us being pinned, how about if we can escape the pin? So if you moved your king to a1 trying to escape the pin, black is just going to capture the queen, and you can't mate in the next move, really. If you try to check from here trying to get a mate, black is just going to capture our rook, and you can't mate black. After exchange of pieces, you've moved two moves and still not a mate. So king a1 is not the solution we are looking for. We are looking for a way we could escape that pin, but in a smarter way. And there's only one other option we could use to escape that pin, and that is rook a1. This time round, rook a1 helps us and gives us an escape route on b1. That means we could escape the pin and leave black in a discovered checkmate. And in this way, black can't do anything about it, because now if black takes our queen, we can escape to b1 and that's a checkmate. Black can't do anything about it. And then black could be like, okay, since your escape is on b1, how about if I play h1 and you can't go to b1 anymore, and then mate you. But then the problem is, after that, you have a checkmate. Rook b4 is a checkmate, and black can't do anything about it. So whatever black tries to do in that situation, black can't avoid a checkmate. Whatever black tries to do, it's a mate. So that's the solution we're looking for in this puzzle. Let us know if you found rook a1 in the comment section, and again, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's hit 400 subscribers. Until next video, have a good day.